Part 1. A smarter approach to saving money. Saving money doesn't mean giving up everything you love. The truth is, smart budgeting isn't about sacrifice, it's about strategy. So many people see saving as something that requires cutting corners, avoiding fun, or saying no to things that bring joy. That mindset makes it hard to stay consistent and can turn budgeting into something you dread rather than embrace. Here's the reality. You can save money and still enjoy life. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about making choices that prioritize your long-term financial goals without sacrificing your happiness in the present. Instead of saying, I can't afford this, smart budgeting shifts the focus to, how can I afford what matters most to me? Think of it as creating a spending plan instead of a budget. Your plan should reflect your values, goals, and the things you truly enjoy. With the right mindset, budgeting isn't a punishment. It's a tool that empowers you to live your best life while building financial security. What's more, small tweaks in how you handle your money can create big results over time. Simple strategies like automating savings, finding better deals, and shifting spending habits can transform your finances without making you feel restricted. These genius budgeting hacks are designed to do just that, to help you save smarter, not harder. Whether you're looking to cut unnecessary expenses, grow your savings, or simply gain better control over your finances, these tips will make the process effortless and even fun. By incorporating these techniques into your daily life, you'll feel less financial stress and more confidence as you watch your savings grow, all while still enjoying the things that make life special. It's about balance, strategy, and learning to make money work for you, not the other way around. Ready to keep more cash in your pocket while still living the life you want? Let's dive in and explore these hacks that will help you save smarter, starting today. Part 2. Hack number 1. Automate your savings. Saving money manually is tricky. Life gets busy, temptations arise, and it's all too easy to skip that transfer to your savings account. Solution? Automate it. Treat your savings like a bill you have to pay each month. Set up an automatic transfer through your bank so that a portion of your paycheck goes directly into a separate savings or investment account. Even small amounts, like $20 or $50 a week, can grow surprisingly fast. Here's why it works. By automating, you remove the temptation to spend that money. Over time, you might even forget about it until you see how much you've accumulated. Many people call this the set it and forget it approach, and it's a foolproof way to build wealth. Part 3. Hack number 2. Use the 50/30/20 rule. If traditional budgeting feels overwhelming, start with a simple framework. 50% of your income goes to essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries. 30% goes to wants, the fun stuff like dining out, shopping, or hobbies. 20% goes to savings or paying off debt. This rule helps you strike a balance. You're still enjoying your life while ensuring you're saving for the future. Pro tip asterisk: adjust these percentages to fit your circumstances. For example, if you live in an expensive area where rent takes up more than 50% of your income, you can modify the rule to 60/20/20 or whatever works best for you. Part 4. Hack number 3. Negotiate your bills. Yes, really. Did you know that many service providers, like your internet, phone, or insurance companies, are willing to lower your rates if you simply ask? Most people never think to negotiate their monthly bills, but this small effort can lead to massive savings. How to do it? 1. Research competitor prices and offers. 2. Call your provider and politely explain that you're considering switching to a competitor unless they can match or beat the deal. 3. Don't be afraid to negotiate or ask for discounts, especially if you're a loyal customer. Example asterisk: a 20-minute phone call could lower your internet bill by $20 a month. That's $240 saved over a year just for asking. Part 5. Hack number 4. Plan your meals and stick to a list. Impulse grocery shopping is one of the easiest ways to blow your budget. Wandering through the aisles without a plan often leads to buying items you don't need, or forgetting key ingredients that force you to order takeout later. Fix it now asterisk at the start of each week. Plan your meals and make a detailed shopping list. Stick to the list when you go to the store, avoiding temptations like snacks or convenience foods that aren't part of your plan. Bonus tip asterisk: use apps or websites that offer meal planning templates and grocery lists to save even more time. Not only will this save you money, but it'll also reduce food waste, another hidden cost in many households. Part 6. Hack number 5. Use cash for discretionary spending. Credit cards are convenient, but they also make it easy to overspend without realizing it. Want to stay in control of your discretionary spending? Switch to cash. Each week, withdraw a set amount of cash for non-essential expenses like dining out, entertainment, or shopping. When the cash is gone, that's it. No more spending until your next budgeted amount. Why it works. Spending cash makes you more aware of how much you're using. Studies show that people are more likely to spend less when paying with cash compared to swiping a card. Part 7. Hack number 6. Take advantage of cashback and rewards. Not all credit cards are bad. As long as you're using them wisely, look for cards that offer cashback, travel points, or other rewards for everyday purchases. Key rules. 1. Only use your card for purchases you are already planning to make. 2. Pay off the balance in full every month to avoid interest charges. 3. Track your rewards and redeem them regularly to maximize their value. Example, if your card offers 2% cash back on groceries and gas, you could earn hundreds of dollars back each year for spending you were going to do anyway. Part 8. Hack number 7. Unsubscribe and cancel and use subscriptions. Streaming services, subscription boxes, gym memberships, and forgotten app subscriptions can quietly drain your bank account month after month. Action plan. Take 10 minutes to review your bank and credit card statements. Identify subscriptions you don't use or need. Cancel them immediately. Many people discover they're paying for services they haven't used in months. Cutting out these unnecessary expenses can free up significant cash flow. Part 9. Hack number 8. Buy in bulk, but only for essentials. Buying in bulk can save money, as long as you're strategic about it. Stick to non-perishable essentials like toilet paper, toothpaste, rice, and canned goods. Avoid bulk buying perishables that might go bad before you can use them. Pro tip. Share a bulk membership like Costco or Sam's Club with friends or family to split the cost and maximize savings. Part 10. Hack number 9. Find free or cheap entertainment. Having fun doesn't have to break the bank. Look for free or low-cost activities in your community, such as local parks or hiking trails, free museum days or art exhibits, outdoor movie nights, or community festivals. For social gatherings, consider hosting potlucks, game nights, or movie marathons at home. You'll save money while still enjoying quality time with friends and family. Part 11. Hack number 10. Set a no-spend challenge. Want to take your savings to the next level? Try a no-spend challenge. Pick one day per week, a weekend, or even an entire month where you avoid non-essential purchases. What to do instead? Cook meals at home. Use items you already have, like pantry staples or clothing. Focus on free activities like reading, exercising, or spending time outdoors. Not only will you save money, but you'll also develop greater awareness of your spending habits and learn to appreciate the value of what you already own. With these clever budgeting hacks, you can save money effortlessly while still enjoying the lifestyle you love. Remember, small changes add up, and over time, these habits can make a huge difference to your financial future.